Hey, Internet, how's it going? Thanks for watching. I'm Alan Lenzicki. I'm an attorney located up in Lake County, Illinois, up in the city of Libertyville. I want to talk about something that's part of my practice that I do from time to time. It only comes up a handful of times, and for everybody that this happens to, it's a setback. But it's when you're engaged to somebody and your engagement falls through, or if you've been dating somebody for a long time and you own property with that person. And the piece of property I want to talk about really today are stuff like your ring, house, car, or bank account. Okay, let's talk about those things together today in this video. Anyway, let's say you're engaged to a beautiful woman and then she breaks off the engagement but keeps the very fancy diamond ring that you bought her. Okay, what is going to happen? What's going to happen in court? What's the remedy? Now, Illinois, this is kind of a nuanced issue. Okay, the ring is typically seen between engaged couples as a conditional gift. Okay, the condition being that she's going to marry me. I'll give her this diamond ring. She marries me, and then that's the deal. Okay. She keeps the ring. We're married. Life is good. Okay. If I break off the engagement, so I give her a ring and then I say, sorry, Samantha, I'm dumping you. Well, probably under Illinois law, Samantha would be able to keep the ring. Okay. But if she says, hey, Alan, I don't like you anymore, I'm running off with Brandon, I'd probably get the ring back, okay? Because she's the one that broke that condition of the gift, okay? Now, let's say that I own property with my fiance, let's say a home, okay? People do that all the time. I usually would advise somebody not to purchase a home unless you're going to marry the person, but people do it all the time because of very good reasons that they have. And if you've chosen to buy a house with a girl you're dating or a dude you're dating or your fiance, well, cool, okay. But if you were to break up, it's just a civil lawsuit. You've got to either first agree. Now, any business dispute can be resolved simply by agreement, okay? And it becomes a business dispute between two different parties. And you know what? We decide, okay, she'll give me some money to buy out my interest in the house, and then I'll sign the title over to her. She'll refinance it. Boy, you don't even need a lawyer. You don't need court. If you guys can work it out amongst yourselves like grown-ups, if you can't, or because reasons, maybe the other person's crazy, they stole from you, they owe you money, there's complications, it's a civil lawsuit because you haven't been married in this circumstance. It's not a divorce case. It's just handled in the civil courtrooms, just like any other business dispute. Same thing with a car. Okay, if she and I went into the Toyota together, well, now at the end of this, it's a civil dispute. Same exact thing as the house, basically. Okay, bank accounts are a little bit more complicated. They can be a civil dispute if people aren't sure who added what when. The best thing to do probably is to talk to your significant other and then just, or ex significant other perhaps, and just agree to dispose of it, divide it in some fair way. If you can't, it's a civil dispute. I'm sorry to say. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. These are just some issues that can come up if you break up. Bye.